Okay, welcome everybody to your pronunciation workshop. This is AG Languages. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. So let's answer this question first. What's today's class about? This is a topic. Before you volunteer to decipher this phonetic transcription, let me help you with the sounds, okay? You have, first of all, you have an apostrophe. That means you have to emphasize the first syllable. You have s, t, I'm sorry, mm. Then you have another apostrophe, which means you have to emphasize the next syllable. U, f, e. So you have to connect all of those sounds, and then you're going to get the answer. So let me check. We have one volunteer, I think. Bianca Cartolin, please go ahead.
Staying healthy.
There you go. So I just want you to see this. This is not a double capital I. This is a diphthong and a vowel, okay? A, and then eh. A, eh. A, eh. Staying healthy, okay? This one is he, healthy, and that's the topic, staying healthy. We're gonna focus our attention on these vowels and some others. As you can tell, we have this vowel from previous class, but we're gonna see this in a different context. Okay. So let's talk about a, e, and a. Those are the vowels we are going to analyze. What are we going to see? One more time, we're going to see our vowel quadrilateral, and we are going to locate the symbols in our vowel quadrilateral, okay? The symbols that we already mentioned. We have this paragraph, and it's going to help us with these sounds. Let me help you with the reading. It says, health is the biggest wealth. It helps us to enjoy all the little things in life. If one is not healthy, they fail to feel happy. Being unhappy can impact the health of people around us too. In order to be truly healthy, one must eat well, sleep on time, and wake up early. Staying fit by exercising daily also helps to keep one's health in proper check. We're going to see that later. What else are we going to do? We are going to answer a couple questions like this one. What's your favorite healthy food? Number two, how have you been staying healthy these days? And we're going to see if you agree or disagree with these statements. The first one says, exercise is more important than eating clean. Number two, mental health is just as important as physical health. Number three, healthy food is more expensive than junk food. Let's see. We're going to have fun as well with a tongue twister. Okay, we're going to read that later. And let's go back to the topic, which is staying healthy. Okay, let's check. Check these words. Okay, it is, the first one is as in health. The next one, as in wealth, health, enjoy. And then we have the diphthong a, as in they. We have ash, this one here, it's called ash. Happy, can, impact. Now, something interesting about this is that you see the apostrophe here. Now, there might be another pronunciation for this word. It depends on its function. Just let me show you this. For example, you might have something a little bit like this. Impact, like that, and then impact. Like, what's the difference? What do you think is the difference? That this one here is a noun, and this one here is a verb. The same thing might happen to words like, and I think I already mentioned this to some of you, this word. It might be live as an adjective, or it might be live as a verb. Same thing with this. Looks like a verb in the simple past, and it is a verb in the simple past. When that's the case, you pronounce this like L, N, D, learned as a verb in the simple past. But if it's an adjective, you say learn it, like learned people, people with a lot of knowledge, okay? So it depends, you have to check that out. So just give me 1 second. So we have impact. The next word we have is this one, healthy. And then relax, schwa, must. Then this one here is only one sound, okay? This here, only one sound. They are not two separate symbols, it's only one. Early, okay? Word, or maybe girl, or maybe world, okay? This is just one sound, and the word is early. Then we have epsilon and the word exer, epsilon and schwa, exercising, exercising. This one here, also. Or another way of saying the same thing is like this. Also. Also. Both are okay. Also. And then we have proper, okay? And then finally, epsilon, and the ch sound, ch, plus che, plus k, check. That's what we got, okay? Let me erase that. All right, let's move on to our vowels. Again, and ah. As you can tell, we have this vowels located in our vowel quadrilateral. We have the epsilon sound, and it is a lax because there is not much action here, on your cheeks, not much action. Here, it's low. As in bat. This one here is longer. Hot. It is so hot, okay? Or maybe in the preposition on. Where are the keys? They are on the table. Drop the jaw. On the table, all right? And this is the mouth positioning, all right? For epsilon, you show a little bit of teeth. For you open your mouth a little bit more. For schwa, it is very, very relaxed. And for you need to open your mouth wide. And you need to make it long. All right. Some common examples with words like or letters like E. All right. Tennis, 7, left. Other combinations. That, breakfast. This one here, many, any. This one here, said, again. This one, says, not says, says. And this one here, friend. For you have the letter A and the word glasses, glasses. Other combinations, laugh, and played. There we go. For the long one, you need to drop your jaw and you need to make a long Letter O and A. Block, not block, block. Probably. Father, father. Start. Other combinations. Ga, guard. This one here, knowledge, you think? It's actually knowledge. Knowledge. For schwa, very relaxed. Bus, husband. Money, come. UNO. Other possible combinations. OU, double O, OE, and A. In words like country, it's different from otherwise it would be country. It's not country, it's country. Relax and quick. Country. Young, blood, flood, does, doesn't, what, was. This can be schwa or it can be another symbol that we're going to talk about maybe in a different class. Okay. What's next? We have the example from the book, the epsilon, the ash, the schwa, and the ah. Same thing from IPA. This one is exception. And to phonetics uses this one here as well. All right. Mouth positioning and some alternating vowels. So you're going to find the same vowel in a different position and it's going to sound different. Bianca, do you want to say something?
Yes, teacher, I have a question. Going back when you show the types, I think, or the sets, sorry.
Okay. This one?
So, okay. So the schwa sound, we have the first one, right? It says book. And I think the schwa is the third one.
Book.
Going down.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So when I see that one, and then I see in a dictionary, the one that it says IPA. So both are the schwa sound. Are they the same?
They are the same sound, yes. This is only a different
Thank
set.
you.
So this is the one we have. This is no schwa as in the word book. This is an example from the book, the Pearson book. Pearson uses these symbols, the four of them, okay? And schwa, yes, is used by Pearson, and IPA also has a schwa, and here we have a different letter, but I guess we're gonna cover that later, okay? But thank you very much for your answer, for your question. There you go. So let's go back to the words A as in sane, or A as in sanity. A one more time as in shade, and A as in shadow. There you go. So this is what you're going to find here in AG Languages. We have content like this. You can contact us. Okay, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can leave your comments there, and you can follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Okay, there you're going to have access to teachers from Latin America and also teachers from English-speaking countries. There you go. We worked under the PTE certification. Okay.